Hey friends, if you wish to fix Nightlight not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Nightlight in the Windows search bar and go to the Nightlight option. Now you will have to click on Turn On Now to turn on the Nightlight. In some cases, its strength would be very low, and in that case, even if you turn it on, it won't make a difference. So make sure that the strength is at least 50%. Okay, so this is one thing, and if it still doesn't work, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Go to the device manager, expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first one and update drivers, right click on the second one and update drivers. Okay, and this done, you can also update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and install each and every update that is possible. If this doesn't work, then you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.